Hello everyone and welcome to Make It Make Sense. In today's video, we are learning how to utilize SPSS to perform correlations. Now if you have your data set and you want to find linear relationships between two or more variables, you can use SPSS to achieve that. The first step is to select Analyze and then select Correlate, and then for two variables, select BIVARIATE. Now you select the two variables that you are interested in and then put them in this variables box. So I'll select age and then steady hours. Now with this pop-up, you realize that the Pearson correlation coefficient, the two-tailed test of significance, and this box, which is the flag significant correlations box, have all been selected and ticked. So you leave them like that. But then you have the option to also add statistics. Then click OK. This is the output that you receive. You have your correlations table with your Pearson correlation coefficient and then your p-value. With this particular test, realize that the coefficient is negative 0.042. And we know the coefficient lies from negative 1 to positive 1. Now, the closer it is to negative 1, the stronger the negative relationship. And the closer it is to positive 1, the stronger the positive relationship. So with this one, it means there is a weak negative relationship between age and steady hours per our data set. And then the p-value is also 0.770, which is greater than 0.05. Therefore, this relationship is not statistically significant. In our next video, we will utilize correlations when dealing with more than two numerical variables. We will use scatter plot matrices. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Catch you on the next one.